Hello everyone. This application is all about Apply POS theme in Odoo. This Odoo app provides multiple color style point of sale style theme in Odoo where user can enjoy the custom theme and screen in POS. This is for Odoo 16 enterprise version and now I will show how this application will be working. After installing this app, we need to go to the point of sale module. Under this, we need to go to the configuration settings. Under the settings, you will be able to see a new section called POS theme where you will be able to see the allow to apply theme. Once you enable this particular boolean, you will be able to see the list of themes which can be applied into the POS screen. And here you will be able to see the theme list. You can add or different type of theme list and whatever it will be there, I will just explain that. So clicking on allow to apply theme and here I have given the default and I will save this particular configuration and here I will go to the another screen and then open the point of sale module. Here I'll create a new session and here I will add a amount. So how much is the opening cash? I will add it as 60 and I'll open this particular session. So here you will be able to see the default POS screen will be opening up. If you want to change the theme, if you click on the second one that is the shadow theme and save this particular configuration, and I will go to the this screen and I will refresh this particular screen. So here you will be able to see that particular theme will be applied into this POS screen and here you will be able to see all these products will be coming like this. Like if you over on that, all these product will be coming based on this and theme will be applied. And similarly, if I want to add a black theme, I will click on black theme and save this particular configuration. I will go to the Odoo POS and I will again refresh this particular screen. Here you will be able to see there is a black theme and here also you can over the product and here you can see the black theme will be applied. And if you want to apply the green theme, I will click on green theme and save this particular configuration. And here in I'll go to the POS screen and I will refresh this screen. Here you will be able to see the green theme and this will be in the round. And if you want to over on that, this particular images will be displayed in the diamond shape. So based on this, you will be able to see this and here the theme will be also changed. And if you want to give the blue theme, you can select the blue theme and save this particular configuration. I'll go to the screen and I will refresh this particular theme. And here you will be able to see the blue theme will be updated in this particular screen. And here all the images will be there and you can rotate this particular images. So if you over on this product, this particular product will can be rotated in this particular blue theme. And similarly, if you want to change for a gray and orange theme, I will select that gray and orange theme and I will save this configuration. I will go to the POS screen and I will refresh this particular screen. So here you will be able to see the gray and orange theme and here you can see there is a square and here if you over on the product it will be coming like this. So this you hear the you will be able to change the theme. And now I will change the theme for a light yellow theme. So if you want to change it for a light yellow theme, I will save that configuration and I will refresh the screen. And here you can see there is a yellow color which is light and here you can see there is a diamond shape. And based on this, if you over the product will be coming up. So like this, similarly, you can able to select all the themes whichever is required for your particular organization and which theme will be looking good. You can just select. Now I have selected the red theme and here I will refresh the screen. So based on that, you will be able to see there is a red theme applied to the screen and this will be the square shape. And I'll go to the screen and I will click on chocolate theme. So if you want to apply the chocolate theme, I will select that particular theme and I will refresh this particular screen. So after refreshing, you will be able to see the chocolate color and here if you over on that the product, the shape will be changed based on the overview. So similarly, if I click on Hershey shadow theme and if I click on save button, you will be able to see this particular theme will be applied on this POS screen. So I'm refreshing this screen and here you can be able to see that. And if you want to rotate this product, like it will move from right to left, so you can enable this and this particular theme will be applied onto the POS screen. And if I want to change it for white sky blue theme, you can just select on that particular theme, and I will go to the apply POS screen, and here I will refresh this POS screen, and similarly you can see this theme will be applied, and here the shape of this product will be changed. So based on one and theme, whatever the colors and whatever the functionality is there, you will be able to see that in the POS screen. So whatever the theme is required, you will be able to select that. So now I have selected this golden theme, and here you can see all this in the golden color, and here it will be in the square shape. And if I want to change it to the vicious stance theme, so I will select this vicious stance theme, and here I will refresh this particular screen. You will be able to see that will be applied in this particular screen, and if you over this particular product will be rotating, you can see this product will be rotating and it will be standing. So based on the theme, you will be able to find the different products and different illusions in this particular POS screen. And now I have selected purple shadow theme, and I will refresh this particular screen, and here you will be able to see this purple screen, and if you over on that, the product will be coming up like this. And I will again change it to the red black shadow theme, and I will save this. So when I configure this and when I save this, I'll come here and I'll refresh this particular screen, and here you will be able to see this particular will be applied, and here also the product will be rotating similar to that shadow theme. So if you over on the product, so this will be rotating and it will come and stop. So this red shadow theme will be applied, and lastly I'm click on maroon shadow theme. So based on this maroon shadow theme I'm selecting. So if I refresh this particular screen, you will be able to see the maroon shadow screen will be applied, and here you will be able to see the product will be coming up like this. And similarly, whichever the product and whichever the theme is required, you can just select it and you can just save it. So this is regarding the apply theme, and now I will show how this theme style will be configured and how it will be working. So in the point of sale module, in the configuration, I will be able to go to this POS theme settings. So here if you click on new button, theme style 01 will be automatically updated when you save this theme, and how much ever theme style is required you can create it here. And here you can see there is a cart position, so the cart position will be in the default. So if you come here, I'll be refreshing this particular screen, and here the cart position is default as a POS. If you want to change it for the right side, you can save this configuration, and if I come here and if I refresh the screen, you will be able to see this particular cart details. That is, whatever you will be adding the product to the cart will come to the right side. And if you want to add it to the left side, you can click on left side and save this configuration. And here if I click on save button and if I refresh the screen, here you will be able to see this will be appearing in the left side. And if you want to keep it as a default, you can select it as a default and you can save this. If you refresh it, whatever the default will be there in Odoo POS, that will be coming up here. And next I will show this is image display in cart. So if I come here, you can see here in the cart, this images will be displaying. If you want to remove it or add it, you can just do that. So I will remove that and I will refresh the screen. So here you will be able to see only the product name and the quantity with the amount will be displayed, and product image is not displaying. If I want to display, I will take that and I will save this is image display in cart, and I will refresh this particular screen. Here you will be able to see the image will be displayed based on the product and quantity and how much is the amount. And here you will be able to see the list view table, that is header sticky. So if you want to have this particular POS screen as a sticky header, then you will be enable this particular boolean, and here based on the product view configuration you will be doing this. So here you can see there is a product view configuration where you will be able to switch view based on the grid and the based on the list view. So default product view is grid. So if I come this, you will be able to see this in the grid view. If I want to change it for the list view, I will be selecting the list, and here you will be able to see all the display product view, display product name, price code, everything will be displaying in the list view, and based on that product image size can be also selected. And once I will save this particular configuration, I will refresh the screen. So whatever the grid view will be there, you will be able to see that will be changed to the list view. And this is a header sticky where I will go to this, and if I move this particular cursor here, you can see the image, code, name, type, all these will be freezed. So the header will be freezed, and if you come down, this particular header will be freezed. The product image only will be moving in this particular screen. So if you want to do that as a header stick, you can tick this and select it here. And if you want this to be in the grid view only, you can just select it as a grid and you can just save it. So if you refresh this particular screen, you will be able to see the products in the grid view only. And next you can see there is a product detail. So here if I select the product name, and I'll be saving this configuration. So if I come to this particular screen and refresh, here you will be able to see only the product name in this particular POS screen. And if you want to give it as image, so if you want to give only the product as an image, I'll be selecting that. And if I refresh the screen, you will be able to see only the images of the product. The name will be not displayed. So this the image will be not displayed. Only the image will be displayed. The product name will be not be displayed. And if I select this product name plus image and will save this, if I come to this screen and refresh this screen, here you will be able to see the product name with the image. So all these product images and name will be coming up based on the product detail. And here you can see there is a logo. So if you come here, you will be able to see the Odoo logo. So if you want to change the logo of that Odoo, then you can come, you can select whichever the product logo which you want to put. I'll be putting this burger and I will save this theme. So based on this, if I refresh the screen, the Odoo will be changed to a burger. So here you can see the logo will be also changed. So whatever the logo will be there, so whatever the logo will be there for the particular product, you will be able to put up here in the logo. And if you want to remove this, you can delete and save that. So similarly, whatever the logo was there before, that is Odoo, will be coming up here. So you can change that particular logo. And here you can see there is an action button style. So the action button style is default right and left. So I'll be selecting this default. And if I save this configuration, if I come here, you can see this particular customer note, refund and info will be default whichever in the POS screen. If I want to move it to the right side, I will click on right side and I will save this configuration. If I refresh this particular POS screen, here you will be able to see in the right side the customer note, refund and info will be coming up here. So the action button of these three will be coming based on the action button position. If I select it as a left side and save, and if I refresh the screen, this will be coming up in the left side. So here you can see the customer note, referred and info. So this information action will be coming up in the left side. So if you want to select it as a default, then you can click on default, and if you refresh this based on the POS default, it will be there in that position. Similarly, you can create different type of theme style which is required for different products, and based on that you will be able to see all these particular POS theme will be changed and POS configuration can be done. This is for Odoo 16 enterprise version. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.